Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. You can see I'm using custom boot menu and OpenCore configurator. So in this video, I'm going to tell you how to make custom boot picker for OpenCore configurator. So now, first you need to open your Safari browser, go to Google and search for OpenCanopy generator in GitHub. And here will be the first link, open it. Now just click on the drop down beside code. Here you'll find download zip. Click on here and download will be started. Now scroll a little bit and here you can find the photo resolution for your respective monitor. So how to know your display resolution? Minimize the browser. Now open settings. Go to displays and here you can find a display resolution. I have a display with full HD resolution. Now close the settings. Again open your browser and here you can see my display resolution is full HD. Then I'll have to choose the wallpaper size as like this. If you have 2K display, then you'll have to choose the wallpaper size like this. Now you'll have to download a wallpaper that you want to make your boot picker wallpaper. In my case, I'm using this wallpaper, but for you, you can download any wallpaper from Google or in the site. Now minimize the folder and go to the Safari again. Open another tab on your browser. Now search on Safari photopea.com. Click on start using Photopea. Now here click on new project. Now you can make the browser full screen. Now here you'll have to put the resolution as per your display resolution like this. Now click on here, put 144. Now click on create. Now click on file, click on open and place. Now go to the folder where the wallpaper is. Select the wallpaper, click on upload. Now you have to stretch the wallpaper as per the screen size. Now click on here. Now it's done. Now right click on the wallpaper thumbnail. Select rasterize. Right click on the background. Select delete. Now choose a rectangle from here. Now choose a rectangle from here. And here choose corner radius as 30 pixels. Now here draw a rectangle shape. Make sure that the rectangle shape has been chosen as the mentioned aspect ratio to the screen. After choosing, just leave it. Now hold the shift key and click on the thumbnail. Now click on the move button. Now click center horizontally and click center vertically. Now select the shape icon and click on hide. Now select the wallpaper, right click on it, select duplicate layer. Now select the duplicate layer, select filter, select blur and choose Gaussian blur. Put your 30 pixels, click on OK. Now right click on the shape icon, select pixels. Now select the copy to. Now select Ctrl Command J on your keyboard. This will create a new layer named layer 1. Now hide the background copy layer. Now the center portion is blurred. Now double tap on the picture of layer 1. Now click on drop shadow. And check the use global angle. Now click on size, put 100. Now click on stroke, put the size as 6. Click on the color, choose the color as white. Click on OK. Now click on the blending mode and choose soft light. Click on OK. Now you can see it's created. Now click on file, click on export as, click on PNG. Put the file name as background with a capital letter B. And now click on save. Click on allow. Now you can see it's downloaded, double tap on it, it's opened. Now you can see the result. Go to browser again. Now you'll have to click on file, click on save as PSD. Now you close and minimize the browser. Now after downloading the OpenCanopy tool, go to Finder and install the OpenCanopy software. Close the Finder, go to Launchpad and open the OpenCanopy generator. If you find this type of error, click on Done. Now go to Settings. Now click on Privacy and Security tab. Scroll down and click on OpenCanopy Open Anyway. Click on Open Anyway. Put your Mac password and hit on the Enter key or OK. Now it's opened. Now select your background wallpaper that you've generated. Drag and drop it to the application. Click on Allow. Click on Proceed. Now when it's done, click on Save. Click on Allow. Now choose your saved folder and click on choose. Now it's done. Now close the application. Now double tap on the resource.zip and now open the resources folder and right click on the background.icns and copy it. Now you will need another application, OC Auxiliary Tool. Downloading link will be given in the description. Just open the application. Now click on this icon, Mount ESP. Click on Mount and open config.playlist. Put your Mac password, hit on the enter key. Now go to Miscellaneous tab and from here choose Picker variant. Click on the Picker variant drop down and select Golden Gate. Now it's done. Now again open Find application and navigate to your UEFI folder. If it's opened, in the UEFI go to OC and then Resources, then Images, then Accidentera, then Golden Gate. Now you're into it. Now open the resources file. Right click on the background image, click on copy. Close it. Now paste the item here. Click on replace. Now it's done. Now close the UEFI folder. Now close the OpenCore application. Click on save. Now restore your Mac and see the magic. Now you can see the change in front of you. If you find any error while processing, you can let me know in the comment section below. Thanks for watching.